Hello, today we are going to say these words with your English voice. The first one, cooking show. A cooking show is a television program where people either prepare different foods or compete to see who makes the best food. I really enjoy watching cooking shows. Next, talent show. A talent show is a competition that is performed as a show on stage to find the best singer, dancer, or other entertainer. My mother loves to watch talent shows, especially when they are singing. Next, talk show. A talk show is a radio or television program on which famous guests are asked questions about themselves or members of the public discuss a particular subject. Rehearse. Rehearse means to practice a play, dance, etc. in order to prepare for a performance. So, if you are going to be acting in a play, you need to rehearse that play. Next, TV series. A TV series is a set of television broadcasts on the same subject or using the same characters but in different situations. I like to relax by watching TV series. Next, audition. An audition is when someone does a short performance to try to get a job as an actor, singer, etc. I remember when I was in school, we had a school play every year and you could audition to be in the play. Musical. A musical is a play or film in which singing and dancing tell part of the story. And the last one, a girl or boy band. These are a group of musicians who play modern music together. It can be just girls, which would be a girl band, or just boys, which would be a boy band. Excellent job with these English words. Well done. Goodbye.